Well, greetings everybody. It is 1 week before Thanksgiving. I am so excited for Thanksgiving. Going to have a great celebration, family and friends here in Waco, Texas. Hey, it is a dynamic market right now in real estate, mortgage, and finance. There's some data that's coming out with labor and inflation that's suggesting, and I'm not saying this is for sure, but it's suggesting that we may have seen the peak in interest rates and now we may see an improving market for real estate. Look, as this happens, and if that does happen, I personally think it is, but of course I don't have a crystal ball, I can be wrong. But if it does, we're going to go back into this kind of dynamic marketplace that we were in the COVID, coming out of COVID. So I was thinking, my website, efficientlending.net, EFFICIENT lending, efficientlending.net, has 7 really good tools that buyers can use to help get information about the marketplace and what's happening. And it's not just Mike's opinion. These are 7 tools that are using market data that's reliable and being collected from other resources, so there's a lot of value in it. Let me just run them down real quick. Go on my website, on my webpage, and you'll see mortgage calculators. Whatever you do, don't go to the Zillow or these big real estate property pages and start clicking on mortgage calculators. It's clickbait and they're skewed. You can go to my webpage, it's not clickbait, and they're accurate, and use them, and you're going to get good, reliable information. The second tool, MBS Highway. It's a newsletter. Go into the Learning Center. You can click up for it. This is a weekly update from MBS Highway. If you don't know who they are, Google MBS Highway. De facto experts on mortgage finance, all things related to mortgage and finance in the United States. Free of charge, I'll send you an email every week with what's going on in the market. And it's a quick, easy read, five minutes or so. You got my podcast, Mosaic, The Stories of Real Estate. You can listen to that off my website. You can get it on iTunes, and you can get it on Spotify, all the major podcasting networks. I do a weekly update, but I also drop some really good episodes from industry professionals and what's going on in the marketplace. It's a great resource, a great tool. You can go to my YouTube channel, which is YouTube/@EfficientLending. And you're going to get great product related and update related information off my YouTube channel. You can also go on my webpage, and I've got 3 really good home value calculators and estimators provided by HomeBot. You can get the value of your home. You can also ask for really good market dynamics on the communities that you maybe want to move to, or if you want to do a move-up purchase in your own community. Really good current market data on that. You can also use a calculator that is really interesting and neat, and it'll calculate or estimate for you what the Airbnb rental is for your house. So you've got these really good tools. Hey, just a quick summary of those 7 tools that are up on my website. Check them out and see if they're relative and can help you for what you're trying to achieve in real estate. And most importantly, I love phone calls. Give me a holler anytime at 720-419-3016. I'm happy to talk real estate. We're in a dynamic market right now, and I'm happy to run through kind of my outlook and my perspective with you as well. Hey, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, have a great holiday season, and let's get 2024 kicked off in the right direction. Thanks again for checking out my content. I always appreciate it when people watch my stuff online. Have a great finish to the week.